Redmi 9i. Big entertainment. Just look at this absolutely gorgeous beauty. If there's one thing that we've learned is normal in the new normal, increased screen time. Screen time attending tons of work meetings, screen time binge watching shows, movies and YouTube videos, screen time also learning something new thanks to online learning classes. Why? We've taken a decision to keep a big screen on the Redmi 9i. Everything that we do, Mi fans are at the front and center of it. 3-inch HD Plus display takes center stage on the 9i, along with a really immersive 20:9 aspect ratio. TUV Rhineland certified. Dark mode thanks to MIUI optimization based on Android 10. Let's move on to the design, which is my favorite part of the 4GB club on the Redmi 9i. Of course, it's a stunning looking device, something that we've come to expect from all Redmi range of smartphones. Now, you may remember the Aura 360 school of design that we introduced in our Prime series. We are seeing a similar Aura 360 design right here on the Redmi 9i. The 4GB club is all about a fine balance. Fine balance between exquisite design and hand feel and extraordinary performance. When it comes to performance, the Redmi 9i is powered by a high-performance Helio G25 processor. It's a 12nm octa-core processor with Hyper-Engine gaming technology. You'll be amazed to know that between 2018 and 2020, globally, Indians have been leading the charge when it comes to downloading online games. And so the Hyper-Engine gaming technology ensures that you get a very smooth and seamless gaming performance. Of the 4GB club, you get 4GB of RAM on the Redmi 9i with two storage variants, 64GB and 128GB. And gorgeous design and amazing performance. Let's talk about the battery, which basically puts me to rest because this has a massive 5000 mAh battery on the Redmi 9i. 4GB club experience, even more amazing, is that the Redmi 9i comes with MIUI 12, our latest and greatest software experience out of the box. Part of the 4GB club, we are sure you'd like to show it off to your friends. Which is why we've got 2-pixel AI rear camera to take gorgeous pictures no matter what the setting, and a 5-megapixel front AI camera to ensure that you're crystal clear when you're attending those countless work meetings or get credible pictures from the 5-megapixel AI selfie camera. OMG. Actually, scratch that. OM4GB. Highest quality reserved not just for our top-notch flagship phones, but also across the price spectrum. Which is why when you buy a Redmi 9i, you can be guaranteed that you're getting top-notch quality. Starting with our Reading Mode 2.0 certified by TUV, so you can keep reading for longer with minimal eye strain or fatigue. To ensure intent with rubber sealing of all the ports and buttons so that any other further water ingression is prevented. Redmi 9i. The Redmi 9i 4GB 64GB variant starts at 8,299. The Redmi 9i 4GB and 128GB variant is priced at an incredible price of 9,299. And when at 12 p.m. starting 18th of September on Mi.com and Flipkart, and of course, all our mainline and offline partners and retailers, including Mi Homes and Mi Stores.